Hello, welcome to this another Hall of Fame interview with one of my CAM mentee, and he has achieved something which people generally don't take the risk about their own career, but he has taken that risk and taken charge of his own career. And I'm very happy by taking charge of his own career, he has been able to achieve now 50-55% hike, moving from an assistant manager to a senior manager kind of role. And just wanted to say many congratulations for your achievement. I know it took time for you to actually go through CAM and everything, but nevertheless, whatever you have achieved so far, I believe that a lot of people do not have guts to do that. And I just want to congratulate on your achievement that you have done so far. And welcome to this Hall of Fame.
Thank you, Rakeshi. Thank you for your encouragement. And the moment I joined your course few months back, uh, the CAM procedures and the processes helped me a lot to make me the person I'm supposed to be, and it helped me to especially hone my personality skills. Uh, the the way to present myself to interviewers, to top-notch companies, as well as the one thing which was stuck in my heart was the your profile makeover, your various social media and sites, increasing your network, your net worth. Actually, when you increase your network, you increase your net worth.
Yes.
So it is not about the this is the goodwill. So the goodwill part is very important when you increase your network. So I went in for a corporate resume and LinkedIn makeover, which will help me to project my profile properly in front of the recruiters and the companies which would want to hire me. So it is not about what you have done so far or what you have skills you have achieved so far. It only pertains to only one thing: how you are able to express and present your skills and communicate properly to all the recruiters and the senior people out there who will expect from you in an
Absolutely.
interview, in a third round or a fourth round. They will expect these skills. If you're able to present properly, then only you can uh, break the mold which you have created for yourself, come out of that.
So what circumstances have actually force you to go for the CAM? Because CAM is stands for the career accession mastery for the audience who don't know, but it is for the mid-career professional who are going through the struggle. They are not growing in their career despite putting in a lot of hard work and their heart and soul into the work. And I think one of the reason I believe that what we discuss about is that you were putting a lot of hard work in your own work as well. So help us understand what is actually taken the decision why you chose CAPE.
Now, one of the reasons why I chose came is, even though I was putting beyond expectation the hard work which was needed to put in my previous company, but somehow for one reason or the other, it didn't cut ice with the managers. So, in spite of my best efforts, even though I am also giving the right the data points, the right presentation, everything right with respect to client, but still for some reason or the other which is not known to me, this didn't cut ties with the managers. And at one point of time, I was not getting anywhere. So I felt that I have to take charge of my career because I cannot leave it in somebody's hands. Um, so it took some time for me to understand after 3 or 4 years that I should move ahead. So at that point of time, the CAM came. It took a while for me to understand that this is what I need and which I have to do with my skills and my personality and my communication and my expertise on subject has to be expressed in front of the companies and stuff. So CAM definitely helps a lot in understanding your stand your aspects and how you are able to hone your aspects, how you are able to express your skills properly in front of client, and go ahead and take that to the next level and make a breakthrough. So definitely this will not be achieved in a day or two. You have to dedicate and sincerely be, you know, accepting disappointments in the way. So appointment doesn't come in one or two, even though you have to be positive, but being positive and displaying positivity are two different things.
Absolutely.
So you have to wait for setbacks. Please understand that you have to get setbacks, then only you will understand where you are, and then hone step by step on the CAM skills mentioned, and go for all step by step, day after day after day. Take one step at a time, and definitely you will succeed. So keep the encouragement, keep you encourage yourself, because you will have to motivate yourself. And CAM also goes a long way in, if you want external motivation, CAM helps you completely. So you do all the courses or do all the self mastery skills which is mentioned in CAM. Please don't neglect that. So after
So
initial set of disappointments, definitely there will be success. Guys out there who are in the trying for the middle management or higher management cadre. So my only sincere advice is, please don't feel complacent and become comfortable in where you are, wherever you are. When the when the going goes good, you try at that point of time. Don't wait till somebody will say that guy, you're not doing well. So where do you see yourself? To do it now when
absolutely.
you're comfortable. If you have the, please feel hungry, feel restless. So every day you're feeling hungry, you have to eat your food, right? It's not that you feel you eat your food today and 10 days you will not go hungry. So feel hungry. Just as you feel hunger for food, feel hunger for your career. It's very important. Please, if you feel hungry for your career, you will do everything which is mentioned, which is your supposed to do.
Excellent point. Thank you very much. And I believe that that reminds me to actually ask you this question. A lot of people, especially in the mid career, they wait for things to happen. They wait for things to go over their head. They wait for things because they are in such a comfort zone where they do not see the things are not changing for them, but they are okay with that because they feel like, okay, this is how the life is, this is how the comfort is, right? Why not enjoy the life, and why not probably continue with that? So what is your view about it, and what is your advice that you want to give to people who are like that, who wait for the pain to come or make it probably go to the next level of pain where they are losing a lot of things? So what is your advice on that?
My advice would be, again, I will repeat the same thing. Wherever you are, if you want career and growth, money will keep coming. See, it's not question of money. But if you want to take charge of your career, you need to become restless and uncomfortable wherever you are. So being uncomfortable doesn't mean that your manager has to harass you and you feel uncomfortable. It is that you want a certain stage in your career you're not getting, and your current organization is not allowing you to succeed in that, in your goals which you have set. So it is something personal. So you don't have to be aggressive towards your management and ask them that you have to give me this, otherwise I will not stay. No, don't do that. Yeah, definitely you can ask your higher management that I want to move ahead in my life. Can you give me a chance with this role or that role? And if you're not getting the role, please stop at that, and you try to find other means to get into the career aspect which you want. So set your own goals, and please, one thing is very important is, don't feel comfortable in any roles. You do your best, but always feel hungry for performance. If you're able to, your management is able to understand your performance, great. But if they are not able to understand your performance for any reason or the other, you will have to find other ways to move ahead in performance. So you start
Absolutely.
looking faster earlier in life. Don't wait till you're kicked out. There is no other way. Please don't do
Yeah.
that. It's not going to help you.
Absolutely.
It's only for those guys who want to move ahead, like in a senior management cadre or something like that. Then only you will understand my words.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, you will sit down waiting for the money to trickle at the end of the month, which is not going to help you in your career. The money will come, but the satisfaction will never come. Again, after some time, when the performance goes down, then your manager will again ask you, what are you doing? Then you will feel bad about it. So before he starts feeling bad about it, you start feeling bad about yourself and exit.
That's a wonderful advice. And I really like the way you are telling, because a lot of time I come across a lot of people. I've trained more than 12,000 people so far in the camp webinar per se. And I realize many of the senior people, even they are stuck in their situation. They are not ready to understand that they are waiting for the pain to come. And that is where I believe the things are moving in the direction where people are not able to understand that where they are going wrong in the career itself.
Correct.
They will only understand when the things will go down the drain, and that is what we wanted
Rakesh,
to.
one thing which I wanted to understand here is, in my case, I am not a very high senior management cadre that I can understand and take back, do all the things which I was doing not right and do it rightly. But if there are guys on the higher management and a director level and they are making these mistakes and they want to, they're stuck in their career and they want to leave, but their level and position is such that
We will not be able to.
they will not be able to. It's a very scary situation. At that point, the pain becomes too huge to handle. So,
Yes, absolutely. And that's why it is required to actually set the ground on the mid level.
mid level, perfect.
And if you
So
don't set the ground, then
you're now
it's gone.
savior at that mid level. So
So I'm very happy that I'm serving this community where you can actually set the ground for the next level, right? And at
right.
the same time, you can also move up in the ladder very fast if you actually grow your career in a right way. So
Right.
first and foremost, I just wanted to say thank you very much. I know the pain you have gone through. I understand some of the things are definitely the personal thing which you may not want to share here, but I understand the pain that you have gone through, and I really appreciate the efforts that you have taken. It takes a lot of courage to actually go through that kind of failure, disappointment, setbacks that you are talking about, and then bounce back and still get the what you want in your life. So it requires a lot of resilience, and you have probably showcased that. So I really want to admire that and wish you all the best and all the success in your career going forward, and look forward to see you in the next level now, that is of the leadership, if you want to grow in that level also.
Thank you, Rakesh. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, guys. And if you have not understood what the CAM is all about, just watch the link below. And if you are looking this interview for the first time, look at the other inspiring story for you to understand why the mid-career is important and why you need to take charge in your own mid-career. Just subscribe to this channel so that you understand, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get this inside your inbox. Okay, look forward to see you in the next Hall of Fame interview as we keep on getting a lot of success story in our community of 1800 professionals. We want to bring out all the inspiring story in front of you. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you, sir.